YouTube is not easy. Plain and simple. When I got started on YouTube, I had no idea what I was doing, but I've learned in the past 2.5 years, and today I want to share with you 10 YouTube tips for beginners. Hi, my name is Trena, and on this channel, I help creative entrepreneurs like you get on YouTube to grow your business. Because as a mom of two and a business owner, I don't have time to be online 24 hours a day, so I let my videos on YouTube do the heavy lifting for you. Now, like I said, today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 tips for YouTube beginners. But here's a fun little twist. I'm going to be giving you my 5 tips over on Michelle's channel. Michelle's channel, Channel Notes, is a channel I have admired the past couple years that I've been growing my YouTube channel. So if you want to check out my 5 tips, go over to her channel, make sure you subscribe and leave her a comment, and she's going to share with you her 5 tips for beginners.
Hey, what's up? I am Michelle B. I am from the YouTube channel Michelle B, which is a lifestyle and wellness channel. And I also run a channel called Channel Notes, which is all about teaching people how to do YouTube authentically. I want to give a big thank you to Trena for letting me take over her channel just for this video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about 5 things that you need to know as a new YouTuber. Trena is also going to be sharing another 5 things on my channel. The video link for that will be down below. Firstly, I want to talk about doing copy work. Copy work is a tactic that has been used by writers and painters for centuries. Basically, the process is to pick a creation that is above your level of skill work and then try to copy it to a T. Obviously, when it comes to YouTube videos, you're not going to be publishing this piece of work anywhere. That would be a terrible idea. But you're going to learn a lot from trying to recreate these videos. So for example, if you are a fashion YouTuber, you might want to do some copy work for Steal the Spotlight, which is a YouTuber that I watch, and her editing techniques are amazing. When you're remaking the work of someone who knows what they're doing, you're indirectly learning from them how they've achieved success. You're going through every single decision that they made while they were editing, while they were writing out their video plan. And you're going to be thinking about those things on another level so that you can take them and apply those techniques and tactics to your own videos. This is something that I'd recommend that you do in any field that you're trying to improve in because it's going to expedite the process. The second thing that you should learn about is making searchable videos. So this is a mistake that I see new YouTubers do quite a bit. You'll see a YouTuber with a video called Breezy Blue Makeup Look or Manicures and Ex-Boyfriends. Those are the kind of video names that someone with a really popular YouTube channel could definitely get away with because they've already built that fan base of people who care about their work. But as a new YouTuber, you don't have that foundation to fall back on. You need to be making videos that make people want to click on them and that are searchable. So for example, the best vegan pale foundations, or how to get over a breakup. Those video titles are much better than Breezy Blue Makeup Look and Ex-Boyfriends and Manicures. If you make videos that aren't searchable, you're pretty much relying on the suggested videos function of YouTube, and it's very hard to get into the suggested videos function when you're a new YouTuber. Instead, you need to build up some searchable videos before you can start making those kind of videos that are a little bit less search focused. My next point, which kind of leads on from making searchable videos, is all about creating videos based around trends. So for example, in the niche of my main channel, which is lifestyle, Marie Kondo was a really big deal. She released a book, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, and it is all about cleaning up in a certain way. I jumped onto that trend pretty quickly, and I made a bunch of videos that were all about tidying up the KonMari way. Those videos did really well and brought in a whole bunch of new subscribers. So in your niche, keep an eye out for things that are going to be trending, whether it be books, celebrity events, general holidays throughout the year, and jump onto those trends really quickly. The 4th tip is to review your channel regularly. So this is something that I do for my own channel, and I actually conduct channel reviews on my channel Notes, so talking about my main channel, Michelle B, what I could improve, what I'm not liking, how I think I could grow more effectively. I think that the channel review process is a major player when it comes to your channel's success, especially if you're a new YouTuber, you're still finding your feet, still trying to figure out your niche. By sitting back once a month, you can do it once a quarter, depending on what works for you. You're able to sit back and really think through what you're doing with your channel, whether you're enjoying it, rather than just sliding on and keeping on making the same stuff and not stepping back to think about it. If possible, I'll ask Trena to link a video to one of my channel reviews down below. I really think that they're a helpful tool, and if you have a watch of mine, it might be a good way to get yourself into the groove of doing them to understand more what you're looking at. And the last thing as a new YouTuber that you should keep in mind is that you need to step away from victimizing yourself up or giving up too quickly, because it's so easy to fall into either one of those traps. Loads of new YouTubers go through phases where they're like, oh, it's the YouTube algorithm, or there's nothing that I could possibly do to do more for my channel. I've done the best that I can. Obviously, YouTube hates me. And in some areas, like the YouTube algorithm, there are some things that are out of your control, but there's absolutely nothing productive about focusing on those things. Instead, put your focus towards the things that you can control, the things that you can improve about your channel, how you can grow, things that you can collaborate on. If you're forever talking about how much of a victim you are, how you're never going to succeed, you're creating your own future for yourself. So those are my 5 things that I think new YouTubers should know. Of course, there are plenty of other things that I think would be helpful for a new YouTuber. I want to give a big thank you to Trena for letting me hang out on her channel. If you want to watch Trena's tips on the same topic, I will link her video in the description below. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and have a great day.
Those are such great tips for any YouTube beginner. Don't forget to go check out Michelle's channel, and if you need more advice on how to improve or get started on YouTube, make sure you check the playlist that is on your screen right now, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!